Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the source. Check the app name, process ID, or the browser tab that's sharing. Once identified, stop new activity. Save documents and close non-essential programs to prevent data loss. If the app persists, cut network access temporarily. Use airplane mode, disable Wi-Fi, or block the app with the firewall. This prevents remote inputs while you act. Make sure to keep the communication channel open with participants if a live meeting is ongoing, so they know you are taking. Now focus on stopping sharing from within the application. Click the Stop Share button or the screen toggle in Meeting Controls, because that cleanly restores your privacy. If the UI is unresponsive, open System Settings and revoke screen recording or sharing permissions for that app. On Mac OS, Windows, or Linux, this immediately prevents further captures. Once done, and if the app still shares, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and pause or end the process. This is a more forceful but effective fallback. Finish by verifying, ask participants or check the meeting preview to confirm the screen is no longer visible. Once confirmed, restore network access and re-enable permissions only if you trust the app. This prevents accidental resharing. If sharing continues, try restarting the app, then reboot the device. Often that clears hung processes. If the issue persists, update or reinstall the app because corrupted installs can ignore permission changes. Troubleshooting tip: reboot into safe mode to remove stubborn background services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.